Hi guys, Jeff from People Doing Stuff here, and today we are out in the countryside of China. I looked at the map, and the map said that there was this like scenic area, and the scenic area was called Arlonghu, which is like Two Dragon Lake. And when we got here, the last kilometer and a half was just this long road. And yeah, it looks like we should just be able to drive down it. I mean, it's all cement, but the very beginning of the road was just a massive sinkhole. So we couldn't get the car in here at all. And now we're walking down this area, and it doesn't look like it's any kind of like tourists should go here type place at all. It just looks like we're walking through a cornfield that happens to have a road going through it. So, no idea what we're going to see at the end here, but as you can see, it's just cornfield. Good luck. So we're walking down this old water eroded country road here, hoping that maybe we're going to find a decent way into the park here soon. Maybe follow the lake up to the left. We don't really know. There is a spot here where we can go in, but it doesn't really go anywhere. Just goes this hill. Maybe we'll try that later. Hoping to find a spot where like it looks like it's regularly used and people are sneaking in and I don't know, using the land for something else, because that's what Chinese people usually do. Just use land, the government's land, for farming random stuff. They just cut through the barbed wire fences and they just go. So we just rode our boards down here, and I had to sneak off into the woods and go number 2. But we found a trail. The trail looks like it heads down to the lake. We're going to walk down there, see what we find. Well, everyone, we failed. We just found where the lake meets the road in a wall of garbage with shoes and bottles and stuff. So everyone, looks like the park trail, the entrance trail, comes to a dead end. The gates are closed. We failed at finding a place that we could get into. So now we're gonna have to find holes in the fence or something. So we're gonna go search for that now. So, one of the primary questions I get from people in the forums is, how well does the Trampa climb? And it's got enough torque to climb pretty much, I don't know, some seriously steep grades. question is, how good am I? And as you can see in this next clip, not very good. So I was going to come down through here with my car. I don't really mind the mud so much. But then there was this. And yeah, it goes down like, I don't know, 5 feet in there. So same with that hole over there. So we got 2 sinkholes here going over this little creek. And all these Chinese people are just still driving right over it. No way I'm driving my car over that. Hello, little squirrel.